Welcome back. Now, regardless of what email service provider system you're using, you are going to want to set up SPF and DKIM settings for your website and service provider. You're going to want to go to your favorite search engine and write in the word DKIM, and then you're going to write the name of the autoresponder that you are using. Now, for the sake of this course in this video, we are using MailChimp. So we are going to write in the words DKIM and MailChimp, and we're going to look for the results of that search. And while there are going to be blog articles about the subject, you're going to see that there is a specific search result from the MailChimp company, and we're going to look at this search result. And since DKIM and SPF are specific practices that you'll be engaging in order to have email authentication, we are going to use these instructions and we're going to follow them to the letter. Now, every email service provider is going to be different. You are going to make sure that you follow their instructions to the letter when you can find them in search. So what we're going to do here is we're going to click on this link. We're going to work to verify an email domain. Now, within MailChimp, we're going to go into our settings. And what we're going to do here is we're going to add and verify a domain. And what we're going to do first is we're going to send the verification email. Now, the procedure within MailChimp is that you are going to need to enter a verification code. Now, again, every procedure is going to be different for every service provider that is available for you to use. And we can see our email address. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy the verification code and we're going to head back to our email service provider. And we're then going to enter the verification code and click verify. Now, our email domain is now verified with MailChimp. What we now need to do is to start the authentication process, and we need to go through the DKIM and the SPF process. So what we're going to do right now is stop the video here, and we're going to pick it up from starting the authentication process. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.